Good, happy Wednesday evening. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this Wednesday evening of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Let's begin. Tonight on New Hampshire Life with Riley King, we're talking about mobile bike mechanic expands from the road to a new home base. For nearly a decade, David Ricker has been known across the Merrimack Valley and New Hampshire seacoast for his big truck, Betty, a rolling bike shop stocked with tools, parts, and expertise. Though his business, Peddlin' Fools, he brings curbside repairs in pop-up service events directly to cyclists. Longtime customer Andy Linsent says the convenience and craftsmanship keep him coming back. He's very experienced and very knowledgeable, Linsent said. This year, Ricker added a permanent home for Peddlin' Fools, moving into the long vacant Amesbury filling station, an ideal spot along the town's rail trail. Amesbury mayor, who encouraged him to take the space, said Ricker has breathed new life into the corner. It's added a lot more vibrance to the town, she said. While Ricker still travels regionally for mobile repairs, the new shop allows him to expand services, offer winter instructions, performance full overhauls, and host events like e-bike rentals and coffee cruise-ins. It's been a life goal of mine, Ricker said. Life-changing is coming in here. More information about Peddlin' Fools is available at peddlinfools.com. And that does it for this Wednesday evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Thank you for tuning in and watching this evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. I'll see you back here tomorrow for another edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Good night and goodbye. Enjoy the rest of your evening.